Thank you for visiting CoinGraph Market. Here is where we change your crypto journey. Are you sick of keeping an eye on the market all the time? Thanks to our $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge, you can trade like a pro without having to sit at your computer all day. It only costs $79 a month. You can instantly copy the trades I make. Sign up for Satoshi Swiss today and step up your crypto game. Let's take over the world of crypto together. To join, click on the first link in the description below. Now let's get to the movie. Friends, we have some great news to share with you today. Don't give up on XRP yet. It will still have a lot of fun things coming up. But even now, there are interesting things going on around it. I want to know what they are. In this video, I'll talk about these news stories in more depth. So, please don't wait to watch this video. Let's jump right in. Pulling out. The SEC's claim that the coin is a security was turned down by a federal court. As a result, blockchain.com, one of the biggest and oldest cryptocurrency platforms with more than 37 million users, has added XRP back to its service. In a recent tweet, the well-known cryptocurrency company said that XRP would be added to the blockchain wallet. After a federal court in New York said that XRP is not a security by itself, this happened. It's interesting that blockchain.com took XRP off its list at first in response to the US. The SEC says that Ripple is selling XRP as a security that has not been filed with the SEC. A federal court said that XRP is not a security. As a result, some cryptocurrency companies have changed their minds and are now listing the popular coin again. Blockchain.com, Coinbase, and Binance are some of these new companies. People think that XRP's decision to relist on the blockchain was a smart move to take advantage of its strong market position. Blockchain.com, which launched in 2011, is one of the first websites to deal with cryptocurrencies. As a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider, the company has successfully signed up tens of millions of people around the world. Over 37 million verified people have used blockchain.com as of October 2022, and 80 million wallets have been set up so far. CoinMarketCap says that since it started, the biggest cryptocurrency company has made deals worth more than $1 trillion possible. The fact that these numbers are so big only shows how big the trade is. If XRP is relisted on major platforms like blockchain.com, it may become more liquid and available to a wider range of investors. More liquidity could make prices less volatile and increase the number of trades. Relisting shows that governmental questions have been answered or settled, which builds market trust. This could lead to more people wanting to buy XRP if traders and buyers see it as a good sign. A lot more people and businesses may choose to trade and deal in XRP once it is listed on trustworthy exchanges. As more people use XRP, the demand for it may rise, which could cause the price to go up. Just hearing that XRP will be relisted could make people feel better about the company, which could change how the market sees it and make people expect prices to go up. How are you? Will the price of XRP go through the roof after it is relisted on major markets like blockchain.com? Write what you think in the box below. From now on, stay tuned because we have more exciting news to share with you. Flare Labs, the study group that made the Flare network, is now working on the F-Assets protocol. The main goal of the project is to add smart contract functionality to assets like Bitcoin and XRP that don't already have smart contract functionality built in. Let me explain what this news really means so that you fully understand how important it is. A smart contract is a piece of software that can run itself and has the terms of a contract written straight into the code. It automatically follows through with the agreement's terms as soon as certain conditions are met. A lot of blockchain platforms, like Ethereum, have smart contracts. They make it possible to automate and protect a lot of tasks without the need for agents. A normal contract, on the other hand, is one that is enforceable by law and written in everyday terms. This is different from a smart contract. Smart contracts can automatically carry out their terms, but non-smart contracts can't. They rely on human interpretation and manual implementation, which often involves court cases and middlemen, to make sure that the conditions are followed. Conventional law and business settings often use contracts that aren't smart. XRP is also not a token for smart contracts. This means Flare Labs is trying to make it possible for XRP and other coins that aren't smart contracts to quickly become smart contract tokens on Flare. Because assets don't depend on trust, using a central agent to use your tokens with smart contracts isn't as risky as it is with many wrapped asset systems for tokens that don't work with smart contracts. Allow us to go back to the present story. The Crypto Basic development team said on December 1 that the private beta testing phase of the project had started. For testers to make the project work like it would in the real world, they were able to make assets, which are tokens on Flare like BTC and XRP. These coins, which are now called assets, can be used in many ways that are only possible with smart contracts. Flare Labs said there was a chance the project could bring in up to $800 million in XRP and other digital currencies not long after the beta testing phase started. Flare Labs recently put this on Twitter as well. Your Doge, XRP, and BTC will have new value thanks to the asset scheme. You can get return from decentralized apps on Flare or use Layer Cake, which is cross-network composable and guaranteed in transit bridging technology, to connect to other ecosystems. Let's quickly go over what each word means. One popular word for yielding is getting paid to do things like staking or lending liquidity. When users help the network run by putting their tokens in smart contracts, they get more tokens as a prize. When you bridge a token, on the other hand, you move or connect the token across different blockchain networks. Due to the fact that blockchain communities are separate from each other, a bridge makes it easy for tokens to move between blockchains. Projects that want to use more than one blockchain or move assets between networks need to make sure that they can work together. They have also made Layer Cake, which is meant to lower the risk of chain reorganization and give coders the option to set up automated tasks that end in the same step as the bridging. Layer Cake is a decentralized, faster, and safer way to connect and compose across networks. Isn't that exciting? In case you don't get what these new stories are about. They might not seem important, but trust me when I say they will definitely help XRP. With smart contracts, XRP may now be able to support deals that run themselves and can be programmed, which opens up more ways to use it. Some of the things that people might use smart contracts for are tokenized assets, automated financial deals, and decentralized finance apps. XRP may work better with decentralized apps and other